I have a Moen one-handle kitchen faucet, 87,480. The handle is loose. Please advise how to tighten it. I didn't install it and don't have a clue. Thank you, Pamela.
Welcome to JA. Right below the lever part of the handle is a small plug that can be removed. Just pop this plug out, and you will see a small set screw inside. This will need to be tightened with an Allen wrench. I have a blow-up parts list available if you need to see it. http://www.moen.com/shared/docs/exploded-parts-view/87,480 Here is the exploded view for your faucet. It will show you exactly where the screw is that needs tightened. Thanks.
Well, I tightened it, but the handle still jiggles. I don't think it did that when it was first installed. Is the lever supposed to be wobbly when in neutral position?
No, it shouldn't be loose. You will need to remove the handle and see if the handle components that are attached to the cartridge are loose. Did you get the parts drawing? This model has a handle adapter that goes between the handle and the cartridge. You may have to check this adapter to see if something is loose with it. There is a screw directly going down from the top that may have come loose.
Okay, how do I remove the handle?
Loosen the set screw enough so the handle will lift off. You may have to take the set screw all the easy out.
I took the screw all the way out and the screw inside is tight, so I put it back and it's still the same. Maybe it's worn, although it's only 1 year old.
In this case, I would have you call Moen directly. They have a great warranty and would most likely send you all the parts that you may need. Their number is.
Okay, thank you very much for your help. Pamela.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert now, visit JustAnswer.com/YTHI.